How to fix Telegram download stuck issue easily and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. This video is gonna help you a lot to fix this problem. So first thing you want to do, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Telegram app right here. If you didn't find it, you can just search for it here in the search bar. Click on Telegram and then now this is the app informations page. Or what you want to do here is click on this force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear cache, go back and then click on data usage. Make sure that the mobile data is enabled and the Wi-Fi is enabled and the background data is disabled, and also the roaming data should be disabled like this. Now last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Telegram in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.